Hello, in this video I will show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotate on a Redmi 15C. So first of all, swipe down your quick settings menu, do it again, and somewhere here you can find lock orientation. And also, if you have no this feature over here, you have to go to the right and open edit and just simply find it on the bottom section of the quick settings. So just simply hold it and drag it to the top. Now if you have lock orientation over here, just simply enable or disable this feature. So let me show you how it looks like. Let's open the web browser, and now I have locked orientation. So let's unlock it by clicking over here in the quick settings, and now as you can see I am able to rotate my screen just like that. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.